Topic 2.7 is on facilitated diffusion. We already talked about diffusion, so what's facilitated diffusion? Well, it's passive transport, but with proteins involved to make diffusion easier for things that can't go through the bilayer. Like ions require ion channels, and water requires aquaporins. But back to the ions. Ions are charged particles, right? So when you have a concentration gradient of ions, it also causes a difference in charge between the two sides of a membrane. That results in what's called a membrane potential, or a voltage between the two sides of the membrane. Kind of like a battery, how there's a charge difference or a voltage between the positive and the negative side. In a cell, this is what we call an electrochemical gradient. And kind of like a battery, a cell can use this voltage to move stuff in and out. A cell's normal membrane potential, or its resting potential, is regulated by the sodium-potassium pump, which uses ATP to pump out sodium ions and pump in potassium ions. Proton pumps do the same thing, just with hydrogen ions.